Good day, and welcome to Zoils News. I'm Michael Reed. The Justice Department has acknowledged that the renovation of Washington's reflecting pool was rushed and poorly handled, while dropping its case against a former Olympian linked to the project. The decision comes after new questions emerged over the handling of the renovation and the legal proceedings that followed. You're watching Zoils News. I'm Michael Reed. Federal prosecutors also dropped charges against at least two other defendants, court records show. Trump ordered a $14 million renovation, painting the pool an intense blue, to finish before the 4th of July, drawing criticism. Piro's filing blames other federal agencies, including the Interior Department, saying the damage came from a botched installation rather than vandalism. Piro's office said prosecutors relied on Interior Department information claiming vandals caused the damage. A later inspection found damage across the pool, including areas unlikely for vandals to reach, making it hard to prove vandalism beyond a reasonable doubt. Trump repeatedly blamed vandals, calling them criminals who deserved years in jail, and escalated his claims about the size of the damage on Truth Social. But prosecutors' timeline contradicts him, showing the liner started peeling more than a week before Hearn visited. Emails show a National Park Service engineer warned Interior Department colleagues about liner peeling on June 11th, where Hearn was later accused of causing damage. Hearn was arrested June 19th and indicted July 2nd. Prosecutors later said the Interior Department withheld key information about contractor problems early in the case. Prosecutors said that if the Interior Department had been forthcoming, they would not have pursued a grand jury indictment. They also criticized bare-bones reports from U.S. Park Police and said the full extent of damage wasn't visible until the pool was drained again on July 17th. After requesting more records, prosecutors concluded the installation was rushed and flawed, with repeated liner failures and widespread peeling. The rush was tied to America 250 events. Hearn, a former Team USA Olympic canoeist, was accused of ripping up a small square as algae problems drew crowds and protesters. Piro's office wrote that additional Interior Department documents showed the June 2026 damage stemmed from contractor flaws and the push to finish before Independence Day and America 250 celebrations. The contractor, Atlantic Industrial Coatings, declined to comment. Hearn pleaded not guilty, and supporters protested the Justice Department's handling of the case. Hearn's attorneys said the case showed the Justice Department bending to the president's whims to target critics. They called the prosecution ready, fire, aim, demanded an apology, and said dismissal doesn't erase abuse of power. Alina Fayaz and Kanita Ear contributed to this report. That's the latest on the reflecting pool renovation case and the Justice Department's decision to drop the charges. We'll continue to follow any new developments as more information becomes available. You're watching Zoils News. I'm Michael Reed. Thank you for joining us, and have a wonderful day.